loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my press-ons. So first I like to start off on a blank canvas. I prep my nails by spritzing some alcohol on them and then wipe them off. Now I'm just sizing the press-on to my finger. I do all of them first before I start gluing because I don't want to go back and dip into the bowl and test it out with like glue on my fingers, so I definitely get that out the way first and then I glue them on. Right before I start gluing, I like to file down like the beds of my nails just a little bit to give it a rough surface so they stick on and last a lot longer. So after they're all glued on, I like to hit them with the file again just to do some light shaping. When the corners are closer to my nail bed, it helps them last a lot longer, as well as just molding them to look like they belong on my finger, like it doesn't make it look weird or anything. Okay, so after shaping, I then go in with my base coat. I like to use this neutral milky color. I'll do one layer, hit it under the light, and then do another layer, so 2 layers total. And I'll definitely link everything that I use down below. So once the base coat is all on, I start prepping for my design. I chose the one that I put on the screen right there, and I'm just going to try to mimic that as best as I can. It doesn't really come out the exact same, but similar vibes. I always start painting on my right hand because that's my dominant hand and I want to get this part over with. I'm pretty good with my left hand, but it just takes a lot longer, and once I do my left hand it goes a lot quicker. So I like to start with the slowest part, which is painting my right hand. Right here, I'm just adding more dimension to complete the design. So my right hand is complete, and now it's time to move on to my left hand. Y'all see how much faster it is with my right hand?
I'm stepping up to so don't you fight it. So don't you fight it. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy. Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night to make me get it amplified. But I'm quick for run the ship, and I go slip, and I go slide. In other words, I love, I got to give it certified. For giving the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl, baby boy, you stay on my mind. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy, not a day goes by. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Just dancing real close in a dark, dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. In our own little world, the music is the sun, the dance floor becomes the sea. Feels like true paradise.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. That's what they gon' say. With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, and more so live. Tell me when it's baby, when we
Once I complete my design on either hand, I top it off with a top coat. I do one layer and hit it with the light, and then I do another layer. For me, having 2 layers of the top coat allows the nail bed to be less bumpy from the design.
I don't care if we on the run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Usually after this I'll apply some cuticle oil, but other than that, that's it. Definitely tell me what you think in the comments below, and always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on all social platforms so we can stay connected. Okay, bye loves.